Welcome to Lucky Wheels. From the situation where a car carelessly crossed the road, causing the vehicle behind to crash into it, resulting in severe damage, to the horrific accident on the road caused by a truck cutting into another lane. This video was created for educational purposes. In this video, the dangers of carelessness behind the wheel are evident. Join us to witness incredible moments on the road, while also learning valuable lessons about driving. Let's get it on. What happened to that car? I hope the driver is safe. Bro, stop making people uncomfortable in that way. Know it potentially endangers other drivers. Secure it properly on your vehicle with the appropriate restraints. Oops, maintaining a safe distance can prevent chain reactions. Having enough space allows you to stop gradually. Can't believe you people find this confusing. Please read the giant arrows on the ground. Oh no, I will not pass a car like that because of the late deciders. Oh no, he did not notice that. The traffic in front of him is stopped and reacts to late. At least there were no injuries. You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. If your vehicle starts to slide, gently steer in the direction you want to go without overcorrecting. Avoid slamming into brakes, as this can worsen the slide, and everyone is alive. Practice patience, and remember that arriving safely at your destination is more important than saving a few minutes of travel time. Please tie down your loads, even if it's heavy and seems fine. Be mindful of the center of gravity, especially when negotiating curves. Whoops, cargo trucks have a higher center of gravity, making them prone to tipping. Staying calm is the most important thing to do in this kind of situation. Be careful, folks, okay? Even though this is a common sight, don't take it for granted. Obey traffic laws, mate. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. This is the consequence for careless drivers who tried to cut into the lanes of other cars beside them. Don't follow this example, everyone. Oh no, please pay attention to the height clearance signs when driving under bridges to avoid getting stuck. Oh my, remember folks, follow the manufacturer's recommendation for tire rotation and balancing to promote even wear and extend a tire life. Well, suddenly, stopping on a highway like that is my fear anyway. Secure your cargo, man.
Хорошо, Надька на даче.
Слушай, как они делают москвички?
Получилось?
Please do not pull out in front of truck drivers and give truck drivers the space they need to get your groceries and items to where they need to be.
Просто надо уехать отсюда и все.
Oh my God, this driver was definitely distracted. Always eliminate anything that might distract you while driving on the road. Why should those who obey the law pay attention to those who break the law?
I don't.
Driving well and well is a risk not worth taking. Let's make smart choices, bro. Please be patient when crossing the road. Oh my, always stay in your own lane.
Prices going up, food prices going up, anything going right on this country, the border wide open. You're going to have people flooding into our school districts, flooding into our hospitals. Law enforcement is overwhelmed. Towns are overwhelmed. And let me tell you why he's doing it. Let's be blunt. He wants to turn Texas blue. He wants to turn Arizona blue. This street politician from Wilmington, Delaware, the dumbest man that ever served in the Senate, the dumbest man that ever...
Folks use the 3-second rule to ensure that you have enough time to react if the vehicle ahead brakes suddenly. Do not imitate this. If you don't want fines or even license suspensions, stay alert, guys.
What about freedom? What about freedom?
Well, minimize the use of brakes within the curve. Hard braking during a curve can lead to loss of control. Instead, control your speed before entering the curve.
哎呀，我真呀！
放来是吧？别把放着后头有那都放下来了，这全是他的责。
Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Folks, let's drive with a safe following distance. It prompts a more comfortable and confident driving experience. Bro makes steering movement smoothly and avoid sudden or sharp turns. Abrupt steering can lead to loss of traction and results in skidding. As long as you keep a safe distance, even if the car in front of you stops suddenly. You have enough time to break the alert, folks.
Дебил конченый. Вон сзади летит. Чуть не правой стороны от нас. А то, смотри, что делает. Ёб твой, он пьяный. Что, будем подходить?
The driver of the vehicle, while traveling on one of the city streets, lost control and collided with an obstacle on the side of the road. Fortunately, no one was injured.
Oh boy.
Oh dear, yield to vehicles with a right-of-way and avoid making turns that would violate these rules. Do not imitate this. Do not cut across multiple lanes to make a left turn. Such maneuvers can be unpredictable and increase the risk of a collision. Don't make abrupt steering, braking, or acceleration movements, especially on slippery surfaces. Suddenly actions can cause the truck to lose traction and skid out of control.
Ёб твою мать! Охренеть!
Oh my God! Something terrible has happened to the cars ahead. I hope everyone involved in that accident is okay. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. On a rainy day, you have to drive cautiously, because any time can be a hydroplane moment. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.